Okay, there's Mr. Truman. They are out and about. It's cooled off. Charles is getting the onions and garlic out of the ground. Hi, Truman. Come over and say hi to Charlie. Truman. Oh, he's got the bat. What do you have, Charlie? What do you have? What do you have? Oh, I want the bat now. Oh, yeah. So these two are going to be 9 weeks tomorrow. And I'm hoping that maybe they can go home this weekend instead of in a couple weekends. But we will see. They are doing good, but yeah, ready to be out like this and getting more love and attention. Huh, you guys? You like the chuck it? Mommy's chuck it. Here, run around. You're much cuter when you're running, not chewing on stuff. Hi, Charlie. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Truman. You guys gonna go run? They were just zooming around in the backyard a second ago. Charlie's ready to run. He says, I want to run. Truman, here, let me take that. Go get it. Go get it. No. So yeah, I think I will give them their second round of shots tomorrow. Maybe I'll talk to you guys and see what's going on, but that probably makes sense to do that. And yeah, we will see if it works out. Yeah, it's supposed to be really hot this week, so yeah, puppies. They like your bat, huh, Camden? Truman's got it. Charlie says, wait a second. Oh, now Charlie's got it.
I've done everything I can to...
Yeah. Charlie's got it. Run, Charlie! Oh, well. Truman says, fine, I'll take the chuck it. You can have the bat. Okay, well, enjoy. We'll talk soon.